Hello students, we are back with our English grammar lesson. In our one of the previous video, we studied that there are 8 parts of speech. Hope you all have learned all the 8 parts of speech. In that, the very first part of speech is noun. You can see here that the very first one is noun. We also studied what is noun. What is noun? A noun is the name of anything in this world. Either it is person, place, animal, thing, emotion, or idea. All the naming words are noun. So students, we came to know that what is noun. Any name in this world that is a noun. Like your name, the place where you live, the persons you meet, all are having a name, special name or common name. Those names are a noun. Now ahead we will learn the types of noun. According to our book syllabus, we have the 3 types of noun, that is common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Now in this video we will study about the types of noun. So first of all we will study about the first 2 type of noun, that is common noun and proper noun. Now what is common noun? Common noun is a name that is given to any person, place, animal or thing in a general way. Means it is a name given to any person, animal, place or thing that is of the same kind. That is a common noun. Proper noun. Any special name given to any person, place, animal or thing is a proper noun. Remember one thing, that proper noun always start with capital letter. So what is the difference between common noun and proper noun? Common noun is a name given in a general way to any person, place, animal or thing. And proper noun is a special name given to person, place, animal or thing. So that is the difference. Common noun, name that is in a general way. Proper noun, a very special name, is a proper noun. Now let us learn it more nicely through an example. See now, here I have made a list of common noun and here I have made a list of proper noun. Common noun now. See this, boy. Boy is a common noun because commonly it is given, this name is given in a general way, means all the boys. If we call any person by a boy, we cannot say that which boy or which of the boys we are calling. So if we say that Rahul, then we can understand that particularly we are calling to Rahul. So in this way we can understand that boy is a common noun, Rahul is a proper noun. Then see girl. Girl is a common noun. Sejal, a special name given to a girl, that is a proper noun. City. There are so many cities. We don't know which city we are talking if we talk in a general way, but if we particularly take a name of any city, like if we have written here Mumbai, so it means that Mumbai is a proper noun, means we are particularly talking about Mumbai city. Same with dog. Any animal, if we are talking in a general kind, then it is a common noun. But if we are giving any name to our pets, like we used to give the name to our pets, like cat, some name we give to cat if we keep them as a pet in our home, at our homes. So that name, if we are giving them as a pet, then that name is known as, name will be called proper noun. Like here dog. Dog is a general name, means it is a common noun. Jackie is a proper noun because a special name has been given to a dog. Now country. there are so many countries in this world. If we are talking in a general way, we don't know which country we are talking about. So country is a common noun. And if we talk about particularly India or any other country like America or Canada, so if we are talking particularly about any country, if we are especially giving any name, then it is a proper noun. Like I have given here India, so India is a proper noun. Same with day, there are 7 days in a week. If we want to talk about a day, so we have to make it confirm that which day we are talking about. If we are saying day, then it is a common noun. But if we say Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, means particularly we are giving any name, means we are talking about a special day or particularly about a day, then it is a proper noun. Month, there are 12 months. In general way, we call month as a common noun. But if we particularly take a name of any month, there are special name given to all the 12 months, then that will be proper noun. Like January I have written here, so January is a proper noun. Same way, festival, there are so many festivals, national festival, religious festivals. So if we are saying it is a festival, it is a common noun. But if we particularly take any name of any festival, then it will be a proper noun. As here Diwali I have written, you can take Holi, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Guru Parv, or any other name of the festival. If we specially take the name of any festival, then that is a proper noun. In the same way, book, there are so many books. Holy books are there, course books are there, story books are there. If we are talking in a general way, then book is a common noun. But if you talk particularly about any special book, like I've written here Ramayana, so that will be proper noun. So I hope you understood what is common noun and what is proper noun. Common noun, a name given in a general way, that is a common noun. And if we particularly talk about any name, special name, then it is a proper noun. Remember one thing, that proper noun always starts with capital letter. See here, in every word I have used capital letter.